Amazon brand store not linking to your brand name. Fix it today in a few simple steps. So right here, if you can see, this is a branded product right here, and it says brand Power Max. The issue is it's not connected to the brand store. So we can see a listing that is connected to the brand store right here, and it'll say visit the Power Max store. So it should look like this, where you can click on it and it takes them directly to your brand store that you created. Now, in order to do this and make sure it's properly set up, you're going to go into Amazon Seller Central, go right here, and there's actually a stores tab. Click on that right here. Then you're going to go to the top, brand stores. Make sure you have a brand store in here. If not, create a store, or there's a button up here where you can actually click register your brand. But anyway, what you want to do is connect your brand store if you already have one created. Click on that, click on contact us. And then this is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to say Amazon listing not connected to brand store, product issues with stores. And then now you're going to put in the brand, the ASIN, and what store it is related to. Then you're going to click submit. It's going to open up a case. You just need to follow up with this. Now, this is not Amazon seller support. This is Amazon advertising support that you're contacting. So make sure that you are contacting Amazon advertise. It says ads assist, so you know you're contacting the right department, but just make sure you're on top of that. And if you want to check your case log, click case log here so you can see all of your advertising support cases. This is not a seller support. This is just how Amazon works. They have two different departments at the end of the day. And if you are a seller on Amazon, feel free to contact us if you need some extra help or for a free listing audit. We'll do a free listing audit for you, go through your entire listing and actually look at your top competitors and what you need to do to make as much money or more money than your competitors, and it's completely free, so check it out below. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This means we'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you on your business and not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.